These are Stirrup nose pads. They have clamps on the guard arms, and to replace them you have to loosen the 2 clamps on the guard arm. I'm going to try by wiggling the pad a little bit first, a little to the right, a little to the left, to see if it loosens, but it looks like it's on there real tight. So I'm going to pull this a little bit, pull it a little bit. Notice how it's beginning to wiggle. So once it starts to loosen up, then you can actually put the flathead screwdriver to finish raising. Being very careful, you don't want to break off the guard arm. So once you raise one of those, then the rest, ow, you want to be careful not to stab yourself like I just did. Let's see now. There it is. Gonna wiggle it through the back here. Almost loose.